Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we are going to see execute Selenium scripts in headless Chrome in Windows machine. And normally before this, we used to use these type of browsers to achieve headless browser execution. Those are HTML Unit, Phantom.js, Slimmer.js, Trifle.js, and Nightmare. But this will emulate some other engines apart from their own engines. But coming to the Chrome headless, it uses its own engine to run the headless mode, and for the Chrome version it should be 59, and that is for Mac and Linux. But coming to achieve the same thing in Windows, the Chrome version should be 60, and it got recently released. Now we'll switch to Eclipse and we'll see how exactly it works. Okay, when you go to this Chrome version, you can find 60.0.3112.78, means it is version 60. And the scenario which we are going to use, I'm going to automationtesting.in and I'm searching in this testng and hit enter. Once it is coming, I am just getting the title of the page. So for that I have written the script, normal script, system.setProperty. I am giving the where chromedriver.exe in my machine, and WebDriver is called new Chrome driver, and I am maximizing the window. I am just driver.get. I am navigating to automationtesting.in. Once I navigate to automationtesting.in, I am just printing the site title, and just I am finding the element, the search box, and I am sending testng and just hit enter. Once again I am just printing the search title. This is my scenario. Okay, now we'll just give a try and we'll see how it is executing. Run as Java application. So it will open the browser for you. And it navigated to automationtesting.in. It searched testng. Once done, it quit the browser. See, site title is home Selenium WebDriver APM complete tutorial, and the search title is you searched for testng. Okay, now we want to achieve the same thing in headless browser. I don't want to open the browser. For that, what you need to do, you have to use one of the classes called Chrome options. You have to use one of the Chrome options. You have to import that. Options is equal to new Chrome options, and you have to pass some of the arguments to these options. So options dot add arguments, and if you want to achieve this one, also you have to just add arguments, just pass the headless. That's it. Okay, then pass these options to your Chrome driver. That's it. Chrome options got new Chrome options dot add arguments headless. Then your script will execute in headless mode. Now we'll give it a try and see what will happen. It will fail, and I'll tell you the reason. You see, it failed and it printed the site title and then element not visible exception. Element not visible exception. Which element? The search box. Why like that? When it is opened in the headless browser, by default browser will open in mobile view. Means if I make it mobile view, something like that, you see I am not able to see the search box. The reason is it is in this. So normally it is directly visible. If it is mobile view, it is in the window become like this, and it is not able to see the search box until you click on this one. Okay, that is the reason it will not able to identify the element. It is not visible. For that, what we need to do, you have to mention the window size in headless mode. Okay, if it is driver.manage.window.maximize also, it will not work in the headless mode. Okay, I can remove that, and here you have to use one more called window size is equal to 1400 comma 600. Normal window size I'm using. Okay, I have to add options that add arguments. I have to mention the window size. The reason is by default headless will open in mobile view. Now if you give a try, and you can see here that no browser is opening. Browser will not open, it will run in headless mode. Now it should work. See, site title is printed, and now it is searching for the test ng. You see, the search title is also printed, and there is no browser opened. This way you can achieve headless browser execution with Chrome. Just you have to add these 3 lines of code. Chrome options is equal to new Chrome options that add arguments. You have to mention the window size. The reason is by default it will open in mobile view in headless mode, and you have to mention options that add arguments headless. Then you have to pass these options to your Chrome browser. That's it. The entire execution will happen in the headless mode. It will not open the browser. Okay. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like us on our Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel, and please like and share the video.